Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic revolutionizing software development, DevOps and MLOps. If you've ever felt frustrated by slow software releases or wondered how to unlock the full potential of machine learning, this video is for you. So hit that like button, subscribe for more tech deep dives, and let's embark on this journey together. Imagine you're building a groundbreaking new app. The developers are coding like coding ninjas, churning out lines of code at breakneck speed. The designers are crafting a beautiful and intuitive interface, a masterpiece of user experience. But there's a constant friction between these two teams. Developers want to push updates frequently, keeping the app fresh and responsive to user feedback. Conversely, operations are overwhelmed with manual testing and deployments, constantly worried about bugs and potential crashes. This is a classic software development bottleneck, where progress gets bogged down in a frustrating cycle of back-and-forth communication and cumbersome manual processes. Enter DevOps, the superhero that bridges the gap between development and operations. It's not a magic solution, but rather a set of powerful practices that break down silos and foster collaboration. Think of it like a high-tech assembly line for software. Code is written, tested and deployed automatically through several pipelines. Developers, testers, and operations work in sync like a well-oiled machine. This translates to faster releases, fewer bugs, and happier development and operations teams. It's a win-win for everyone involved. However, the software world is constantly evolving, and traditional development methodologies often struggle to keep pace with the complexities of machine learning. This is where MLOps comes in. Imagine MLOps as DevOps for machine learning models. Traditional software development is relatively straightforward. You write, test, and deploy code. Machine learning models, however, are complex beasts. They require constant training on data, rigorous analysis to identify patterns and trends, and close monitoring to ensure they perform at their peak. It's an ongoing cycle, not a one-time effort. Here's where DevOps principles come to the rescue by automating the machine learning lifecycle. Imagine a system that automatically trains your model on fresh data, meticulously tests its performance on various scenarios, and seamlessly deploys the improved version. That's the magic of MLOps in action. It streamlines the process, freeing valuable time for data scientists and engineers to focus on more strategic tasks like model design and feature engineering. The powerhouse partnership, advantages of DevOps and MLOps. Let's delve into the incredible advantages of combining these two robust methodologies. First up, we have speed. MLOps helps get your machine learning models into production at lightning speed. No more waiting weeks or even months for manual deployments. This allows you to capitalize on market opportunities faster and stay ahead of the curve. Imagine quickly adapting your model to changing customer behavior or emerging market trends. That's the power of MLOps at your fingertips. Second, automation is the key to consistency. With MLOps, every model undergoes the same rigorous training and testing process, significantly reducing the risk of errors and ensuring top-notch quality. Think of it like a quality control system on steroids. Every step of the development process is documented and automated, making it easier to identify and fix issues early on. This consistency is crucial for machine learning models, where even minor variations in the training data can lead to significant changes in performance. Imagine feeding your model slightly different ingredients each time you train it. The resulting dish, your model's predictions, could be wildly different. MLOps ensures consistency in the recipe used to train your model, leading to more reliable and predictable results. Third, MLOps is all about continuous improvement. You can identify potential issues like biases, accuracy drops, and unexpected behavior by constantly monitoring model performance. Imagine being able to detect a bias in your model that might lead to unfair outcomes for specific users. MLOps allows you to retrain the model with more balanced data and keep it performing at its best. It's like having a built-in feedback loop that keeps your model sharp and ensures it remains fair and reliable. Finally, MLOps fosters a collaborative environment. Data scientists, developers, and operations teams work within the same framework, leading to better communication and problem-solving. Silos are broken down, information flows freely, and everyone becomes a champion for a successful machine learning project. Data scientists can focus on refining the model, developers ensure seamless integration with the application, and operations teams monitor performance and troubleshoot issues. This collaborative approach is essential for building and deploying high-performing machine learning models. Imagine a well-functioning kitchen where everyone works together. The chef refines the recipe, the sous chef prepares the ingredients, and the waitstaff ensures a smooth dining experience for the guests. That's the power of collaboration in DevOps and MLOps. Beyond the basics, challenges, and considerations. While DevOps and MLOps offer a treasure trove of benefits, it's essential to acknowledge the potential roadblocks you might encounter. Implementing these methodologies requires a cultural shift within your organization. Breaking down silos and fostering collaboration between traditionally separate teams can take time and effort. Imagine turning a group of independent cooks into a cohesive kitchen unit. It requires clear communication, shared goals, and a willingness to work together. Additionally, depending on the size and complexity of your organization, adopting DevOps and MLOps might require investment in new tools and infrastructure. This could include version control systems like Git, which tracks code changes, automated testing frameworks that catch bugs early on, and monitoring platforms specifically designed for machine learning models. Think of these tools as upgrades to your kitchen equipment: a new stove for faster cooking, a sharper knife for precise chopping, and a digital thermometer for ensuring perfect temperature control. Here are some key considerations to navigate these challenges. Start small and iterate. Don't try to overhaul your entire development process overnight. Instead, identify a small, well-defined project and pilot the DevOps and MLOps approach. This allows you to learn from your experiences and refine your implementation before scaling it up for larger projects. It's like testing a new recipe in smaller batches before whipping up a feast for 100 guests. Invest in training and upskilling. Equip your teams with the necessary skills and knowledge to thrive in a DevOps and MLOps environment. This could involve training developers on version control and automation tools, or helping data scientists understand continuous integration and continuous delivery (CI/CD) pipelines. Imagine upskilling as equipping your team with new culinary techniques. They'll be able to create more complex and delicious dishes, software in this case. Focus on building a culture of collaboration. Encourage open communication and break down barriers between development, operations, and data science teams. Invest in team-building exercises and create a shared understanding of project goals. This fosters a more collaborative kitchen where everyone understands each other's roles and works together seamlessly. The future of DevOps and MLOps, a collaborative evolution. The future of software development is undoubtedly intertwined with DevOps and MLOps. As machine learning becomes even more ubiquitous, these methodologies will be critical for organizations that want to stay ahead of the curve. We can expect to see further advancements in several areas. Automation tools. A more comprehensive range of automation tools will emerge, specifically designed for different stages of the machine learning lifecycle. This will further streamline the development process and free up valuable resources for human expertise. Imagine a set of automated kitchen gadgets that take care of chopping, mixing, and even washing dishes, allowing the chef to focus on creating the perfect dish. Standardization of best practices. As DevOps and MLOps practices mature, industry-wide standards and best practices will become more established. This will make it easier for organizations to implement these methodologies and ensure project consistency. Standardized recipes ensure everyone, from novice to experienced cooks, can achieve delicious results. MLOps platforms. New platforms designed for MLOps will emerge, offering a comprehensive suite of tools and functionalities for managing the machine learning lifecycle. These platforms will make it easier for organizations to get started with MLOps and achieve success. Imagine an all-in-one kitchen appliance that automates chopping, cooking, and cleaning, allowing even novice cooks to create restaurant-quality meals. MLOps platforms offer a similar level of ease and efficiency for building and deploying machine learning models. In conclusion, DevOps and MLOps are transforming how software is developed, especially regarding machine learning. By embracing these methodologies, organizations can unlock the full potential of machine learning, achieve faster deployment times, ensure model quality, and foster a collaborative environment for innovation. So whether you're a seasoned developer, an aspiring data scientist, or simply curious about the future of technology, understanding DevOps and MLOps is vital to staying ahead of the curve in this exciting and rapidly evolving landscape. If you have any questions about DevOps and MLOps or how to implement them in your organization, comment below and let's discuss them. Don't forget to like this video if you found it informative and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth tech explorations. Thanks for joining us.